Civil engineering has always been a profession of both ambition and challenge. Every road, bridge, or drainage system designed is not only a technical task but also a race against time, regulations, and rising client expectations. Behind every drawing is a team trying to balance precision with pressure, creativity with compliance, and efficiency with endless deadlines. Many engineers find themselves working late into the night, yet still feeling like they are falling behind. The reality is that success in this profession does not come from working endlessly. It comes from mastering time and using it with purpose. What about you? What is the biggest time management challenge you face or observe in civil engineering? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Time management in this field is more than just a neat calendar or an organized to-do list. Poor time management can mean late submissions, expensive rework, and a reputation damaged by inconsistency. A single overlooked calculation can lead to weeks of delay, while the habit of multitasking often spreads focus too thin and causes critical mistakes. Many young engineers fall into this trap, pouring in long hours without realizing that effort alone is not enough. Without control of time, even the most talented engineer risks burnout. The first secret of time management is learning how to prioritize with clarity. Not every task deserves equal attention. In the midst of overlapping responsibilities, the key lies in identifying the few activities that truly drive the most significant results. For civil engineers, this means distinguishing between tasks that feel urgent and those that are genuinely important to the progress of a project. Another essential principle is to build review time into every schedule. In civil engineering, errors are unforgiving. A single misplaced line or an incorrect figure can create consequences that ripple through an entire project. Allocating time for reviews may appear to slow progress at first, but in reality, it prevents the far greater delays caused by rework. AXA Engineers exemplifies this approach by embedding a 3-layer quality assurance framework into every stage of work. Each drawing passes through multiple levels of review, ensuring accuracy before problems ever have a chance to surface. This kind of discipline transforms time management into risk management, where hours saved later are worth far more than minutes lost today. Technology also plays a powerful role in mastering time. Tools such as Civil 3D and BIM are no longer just software. They are accelerators of progress. When applied effectively, they can condense weeks of effort into days of output. AXA Engineers has been recognized internationally for its ability to apply such technology, with Autodesk highlighting the company as a global success story. This recognition is not simply about technical capability. It is proof of how structured systems and the right tools can radically improve the way time is used in demanding projects. Yet technology and systems alone are not enough. Civil engineering is inherently collaborative, and time is wasted most when individuals try to do everything on their own. True efficiency emerges from strong teamwork, where communication is clear and responsibilities are shared. This is where culture becomes decisive. AXA Engineers has built a working environment based on the philosophy where engineers thrive, not just perform. In such a culture, engineers are motivated not by pressure, but by purpose. When teams are cohesive, supportive, and aligned, time is no longer lost to confusion or repeated effort. Instead, every hour is used with focus and clarity. Ultimately, time management is not only about tools and techniques. It is a mindset. Civil engineers who constantly chase deadlines without pause may deliver projects, but they rarely feel in control. Thriving in this profession requires a shift in perspective, from reacting to time to directing it. Sustainable performance begins not with stricter schedules but with building the right foundation for people to flourish. Only when engineers are supported in both skill and mindset can they consistently manage time effectively and deliver superior results. The true secret of time management for civil engineers, therefore, lies in balance. Prioritize with purpose. Protect time by building in reviews. Use technology as a multiplier. Collaborate instead of working in isolation. And above all, nurture an environment where engineers can thrive. Civil engineering will always demand precision, discipline, and resilience. But with the right approach to time, the profession becomes not just a career of survival, but a journey of growth. For engineers everywhere, the choice is clear. Mastering time is not about working harder than everyone else. It is about working with clarity, with systems that protect quality, with cultures that foster motivation, and with the vision to see beyond the immediate deadline. Civil engineers who embrace this approach do more than deliver projects on time. They build careers that endure, reputations that inspire trust, and communities that prosper for generations. If you had to share one personal tip for better time management in engineering, what would it be? Leave your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective.